Hi guys, it's what time now?
5:48.
5:48 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines it's 12:48 a.m. So today guys, this is our dinner. Lasagna and butter chicken. So, this is guys, ang sarap-sarap ng aking lasagna. Slice natin, slice. Sarap nito guys. Ang asawa ko, ang aking afam, ang nagluto nito guys. So, ayan guys, napakasarap guys. Ang luto ng aking apam. Ang sarap nito guys. So much. Look guys. Sarap. Kain tayo guys.
Wir in Austria, hier